Did you know that you are losing a lot of visitors and potential customers if your website is not mobile friendly? A study commissioned by Google shows that 52% of users are unlikely to engage with a business that has a non-mobile friendly website. Having a responsive website means that your website responds or adjusts accordingly to the size of the screen of whatever device people are using to view it. You need a responsive website right now as more and more people are using mobile devices to visit websites. Let's look at the stats. There were 120 million owners of smartphones and 50 million owners of tablets in 2012. There will be 1.4 billion smartphones by the end of 2013. By 2014, there will be more mobile internet users than desktop internet users. 1 in 3 minutes spent online is now spent beyond the PC. You can't avoid it. People will check your website using a mobile device, and more so if you're a local business. As of December 2012, 27% of total web traffic came from mobile devices accessing directories and other local web resources. This is a major increase from only 6% the previous year. So if you do not have a mobile-friendly website, a growing number of mobile users who are your potential customers will simply bounce off of your website. A Google study shows that 62% of companies reported an increase in sales after designing a mobile responsive website. Yes, people are buying products and services online with their mobile devices. Mobile e-commerce counts for 11% of U.S. retail e-commerce in the fourth quarter of 2012 at $7.2 billion. This is from a mere 3% in the fourth quarter of 2010 at $1.6 billion. M-commerce is estimated to reach $38.4 billion at the end of 2013 and $108 billion at the end of 2017. If you want a piece of this expanding pie, do the smart thing and get a mobile responsive website today. Your competitors are probably investing on a mobile responsive website right now or have probably implemented one already. If your website is not mobile responsive, then it is like sending your customers to your competitors. Google recommends responsive web design as it gives their robots an easier time when crawling and indexing your website, as you only have one version of your website to crawl. Yes, responsive web design is good for SEO. One of the problems you probably have is you don't know where to start. Web design is probably too technical for you and no one is explaining the technicalities to you in relation to how it will benefit your business. Or maybe your current provider isn't performing, or the price of your web design provider you are talking to is too high. Well, it is high time for you to go with the right provider. We want your business to become more successful. We can build your website based on a responsive web design architecture that automatically adjusts to the size of your viewers' screens, so it loads perfectly on all devices, leading to a great user experience. We use WordPress, the world's leading content management system and SEO-friendly platform in which we set up your content-ready and content-driven blog. We want to get to know you and guide you into the future. We first go through an in-depth consultation with our clients. We want to thoroughly understand what your business is, who your target customers are, and how we can help meet their needs through the planning and execution of your website. We're here to help you attract more visitors, both from mobile and desktop devices, so you can turn them into leads and customers with your beautiful mobile responsive website. This is where the future is heading, and we'll build the last website you'll ever need. Give us a call to learn more about how we can help you build a cutting-edge, mobile responsive, content-driven, SEO-friendly website that is customer-friendly and ready for the future today.